Hey there! Welcome to the video guide on dialer calling options. We have already mentioned the calling options in the introduction to Agent Workspace. And now, we will learn more about these options: scheduled calls, predictive calling, and manual calls. To reach any of the calling options, go to the Workspace menu and select the option you need. Scheduled calls contain a list of meetings with leads assigned to the agent with the relevant callback time. To find a specific meeting or any other data, you can use 3 filter types: by campaign, lead, or time. Each lead has a Choose Action menu on the right. From this menu, you can call the lead immediately. Here you can also edit lead details or add it to the phone book, check related comments and history, or unassign the lead from yourself. Predictive calling is your main working mode. The system dials leads automatically based on previously set rules. To enable this mode, click the login control and select Clock In. Then you'll need to pick up a call from the dialer on your Softphone and wait till you are connected to your lead. The system will give you a few beeps when the lead answers to let you know that you can start talking. You will also see the basic information about the lead. While on a call, you have many additional options like adjusting the volume, rating the call, transferring it, or switching to a conference mode. After your call ends, the feedback page will appear. Here you can leave your comment and update information on the lead, for example, change the lead status, and set the callback time. The fields available for editing depend on the logic that the manager sets for specific leads or lead statuses. Please see our video about how to work in the predictive calling mode. Remember to clock out for a break or at the end of the shift. Agents with the required permissions can use the manual call option to place calls through any Softphone integrated with the dialer. It lets you manually dial the lead's phone numbers and talk to them immediately. When dialing the number, the system will apply a necessary caller ID according to the predefined calling rules. Remember that this mode is similar to a regular Softphone call, so it does not allow you to change the lead status or leave a comment after the call. Thanks for watching.